Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bak Preston Tensong ulong bahaduk mentaru ke Harijan Panchayat Komiti Kamshim le Jubab ya Jingkhot ya Kren ke Sorkar Halor ke Jingthmu buat pinkan riak no ya gilais pak saupu artli gilong yeng na tem yo mulong ne na tem Metor. Ulai thu bak Sorkar kala batha yo Commissioner and Secretary kumjuru yo CEO jong ke Shillong Municipal Board ban pinbek ya ke Jingalang banyak keren bak Sorkar ndai haduk mentaru kimpat ai Jubab.
Only prepare ourselves for the for meeting in the court, because I've already invited, still no response from the side. So right now, let the court decide, because we have already given the blueprint, we have given everything. So till now, officially or unofficially, they just keep quiet. So let us see the next step, because this issue, this case is lying with the Honorable High Court. Just recently also, I've asked Commissioner Secretary, we have asked CEO of our municipal board, they were in touch with them, asking for meeting again, but till now they did not reply, they did not respond.